This is Financial Planning 101 with Julius, where we talk about money the practical way. Let me save you some time. Most financial advice eventually lands in the same place. Budget every dollar, pay off all your debt, start investing once the debt is gone. Follow that long enough and you'll be fine. If you can do that without context, frustration, or setbacks, you probably don't need this conversation. For everyone else, let's talk reality. No matter which financial philosophy you follow, they all begin with the same first principle: becoming debt-free. The question people usually ask is, how do I do that when I'm already broke? And the honest answer is this: most people aren't broke. They're unintentional. Gaining control over your finances starts with awareness. When you know where every dollar goes, you eliminate the most dangerous question in personal finance. Where did my money go? Debt thrives in confusion. Clarity is what begins to weaken it. This process is simple in theory, but difficult in practice because we've been conditioned to accept debt as normal. Car notes, credit cards, monthly payments. Everyone has them, so we assume that's just life. But debt isn't inevitable, it's habitual, and habits can be changed. Anything you want to get better at requires practice. Athletes practice. Musicians practice. Professionals practice their craft. Getting out of debt works the same way. It requires repetition, consistency, and restraint over time. When you practice paying down debt the same way athletes practice their sport, it eventually becomes second nature. And once debt starts disappearing, something important happens. You begin to regain access to your entire paycheck. Imagine no car payment, no credit card balance, fewer obligations pulling at your income before you even touch it. That kind of freedom doesn't happen overnight, but it does happen when you stay consistent long enough for the system to work. The mechanics are straightforward. Write down every debt you owe, from the smallest balance to the largest. Make the minimum payment on all of them. Not because a credit score is the goal, but because consistency matters. Once the minimums are covered, every extra dollar goes toward the smallest debt first. When that one is gone, you roll that payment into the next. Momentum replaces motivation. Patience is required here. This isn't a sprint. But progress becomes visible faster than most people expect when the process is applied consistently. Once debt is under control, then you start thinking about growth. Not shortcuts, not speculation. Growth built slowly and intentionally. Small, regular investing over time changes outcomes dramatically. Starting early matters. Starting consistently matters even more. The biggest mistake people make is waiting until they feel ready. Ready usually means late. Education, intention, and action matter far more than perfect timing. What I want you to take from this is simple. You don't need to be perfect. You need to be intentional. Paying off debt and building for the future won't just change your finances, it will change how you think, plan, and live. This isn't about getting rich, it's about getting in control. If this helped you, subscribe and stay with me. We'll keep building from here.